Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Outlook now and sign in. This gets you to the exact settings you need. Once signed in, make sure Office or the web app is updated, because theme options differ by version. Next, save drafts and close side windows so settings apply cleanly. Then, on desktop, go to File, right arrow Office account to verify your theme options exist, or on the web, prepare to open Settings, gear icon. These steps ensure you won't lose work while switching to dark mode. Now you'll enable the actual dark theme. On desktop, go to File, Options, General, then set Office theme to black or dark gray. This applies across Office apps. Once done, check View Settings for the reading pane to avoid bright message backgrounds. On Outlook web, click the gear, then view all Outlook settings, General, Appearance, toggle dark mode on. Make sure to also toggle message background settings so your emails inherit the dark theme rather than staying white. Finally, set dark mode on mobile. Open Outlook app, go to Settings, Appearance, and pick Dark. Once you've changed desktop, web, and mobile, restart Outlook or refresh the web page so every window applies the new theme. If colors still look wrong, clear the app cache and confirm updates are installed. Sometimes toggling the theme off then on forces a complete redraw. If problems persist, update your OS display settings or sign out and back in to refresh account-level appearance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.